Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here I'll be showing you how to remove tree sap from a vinyl tonneau cover. This can also be applied to other vinyl surfaces such as seats, other outdoor covers, vinyl roofs on cars, etc. Typically this can occur from when a vehicle is parked under a tree. However, there were no trees above my truck, but there was a recent storm which blew some branches on the back of the truck, resulting in a bunch of sap being left behind. If you're looking for a tutorial on how to remove tree sap from paint, I do have a video on this for various methods, so be sure to check that out. Make sure the area is clean and free of any dirt. You may be required to wash the vehicle first. This will remove any contaminants from the surface which can cause surface damage during the removal process. By far the easiest method I've found is using isopropyl alcohol. It's available in a couple different versions. I have the strongest at 91%. The lesser strength stuff works as well. It'll take slightly longer to soften up the sap. Depending on the quality of vinyl, especially if it's colored, it may be best to try this on a hidden area first, ensuring you're not damaging the color. Apply the isopropyl alcohol to paper towel. Make sure it's wet but not dripping, then rub it on the surface. Light to medium pressure is only needed. Don't get too aggressive where you're stretching the material. You may be required to fold over the paper towel to a clean spot so you're not smearing around the sap, creating a larger mess. Even with the sap softened up, the residue can still spread around the area. Once done, here you can see the one spot of sap is completely removed. Continue the same method for the rest of the spots. Don't dump the alcohol on the vinyl, as it may dry the material or bleach the coloring. Working out one spot at a time, apply more isopropyl alcohol as needed to the paper towel, or flip it over to a clean spot. You may need more paper towel as well if you're running out of clean spots. I would not recommend using a cloth as the sap residue will soak into the fabric. With paper towel, it can be easily thrown away and replaced. It's important to remove this while it's still fresh, so as soon as possible. When it hardens, it becomes harder to remove, and it may leave staining behind. When done, to prevent a noticeable outline from the cleaned area, use a clean piece of paper towel with isopropyl alcohol residue. Go over a larger area to blend in the cleaning. The isopropyl alcohol will evaporate very quickly, so it won't attack the surface as much as compared to a harsher solvent. As a final step, the vinyl is now bare and has no protection. I would recommend using a form of conditioner. This will provide a layer of protection and soak into the material. Applications of products will vary. Be sure to read the product's instructions first. Once done, now you can see we're left with a clean, sap-free surface. Applying a conditioner more frequently also aids in preventing that sap from sticking to the surface well, almost like a wax-on paint. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.